Want to send SMS messages directly from your AI assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to send SMS from OobaBooga through Ozeki SMS Gateway using the built-in SMPP SMS MCP server. Let's get started. How does this solution work? OobaBooga connects to the SMPP SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol. And when you send an SMS, it travels from OobaBooga to Ozeki SMS Gateway as an MCP tool call, which then forwards the message over SMPP to deliver it to the recipient's mobile phone. What is OobaBooga Text Generation Web UI? It is an open-source web interface for running large language models locally on your own hardware with support for MCP servers to extend it with external tools. What is an SMPP SMS MCP Server? It is a standardized software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway, allowing the AI to autonomously send and receive SMS messages. To get started, download and install Ozeki SMS Gateway on your Windows machine or server. Extract the installer zip file and run the executable to complete the installation, after which the gateway will start automatically with its web-based management interface accessible from your browser. To connect Ozeki SMS Gateway to the mobile network, set up an SMPP client connection. In the Connections panel, select Add New Connection, then enter the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider to activate the connection. To create an MCP user account, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type. Enter a username and password. Then open the Advanced tab to generate an API key that you'll need in the next steps. To add the SMS MCP server config to OobaBooga, open the sidebar and locate the MCP servers field. Enter the Ozeki SMS Gateway URL, followed by a comma, and the authorization header with your API key to complete the configuration. To test SMS sending, type your SMS request in plain language in the OobaBooga chat input and press Send. The AI model will interpret your request and invoke the MCP tool to deliver the message through the gateway, and a successful tool result in the chat confirms that the message was submitted for delivery. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP user details page. In the event log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. In this guide, you learned how to connect OobaBooga to Ozeki SMS Gateway's SMS MCP server to send SMS messages directly from the chat interface. You now have a fully functional on-premises SMS integration that your locally hosted AI model can use to communicate with any mobile phone. Thanks for watching.